Hello students, in this video we shall discuss question number 1 of exercise 8.3. Chapter name is comparing quantities. So to solve the first problem, there are two formulas that you need to know. The first one is how to find out the profit percent and the second one is how to find the loss percent. So the formula for profit percent is profit by CP times 100. This is one formula that you need to know, and the second one is for loss percent, which is loss by CP multiplied by 100. If you know these two formulas, it is very easy to solve all the four problems. So let's start. Tell what is the profit or loss in the following transactions. Also find profit percent or loss percent in each case. First one is gardening shares bought for rupees 250 and sold for rupees 325. Gardening shares is like a cutting tool which is used in garden. So the cost price is given as 250 and the selling price is given as 325. So here SP is greater than CP. Therefore there is a profit of 75 rupees. We would do SP minus CP, which equals to 75 rupees. Now we are going to use the formula of profit percent. That is profit by CP multiplied by 100. So profit is 75 and the CP was given as 250 multiplied by 100. Cancels out. 25 ones are 25, 25 threes are 75 and that equals to 30. So the profit is given as rupees 75 and the profit percent is 30. A refrigerator bought for rupees 12,000 and sold at rupees 13,500. So the cost price, that is the buying price, is 12,000 and the selling price is 13,500. Here SP is greater than CP, so there is a profit and we would subtract these two, that is SP minus CP, and we get 1500, that is 1500. Now using the formula of profit percent, we will find the profit percent, which is 1500 is the profit and the cost price is 12,000 multiplied by 100. Cancel out the zeros, cancels out. 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 50. So that's 50 divided by 4 and that equals to 12.5. So the profit is 1500 and the profit percent is 12.5. Next one, a cupboard bought for rupees 2500 and sold at rupees 3000. Same way we need to do. Cost price is 2500, selling price is 3000, SP is greater than CP. Find the profit and that would be rupees 500. Using the formula, here we need to write CP, okay. Now let's solve it. So that's 500 divided by CP is 2500 multiplied by 100, cancel out. 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50 and 20. So that equals to 20. So profit is rupees 500 and profit percent is 20. A skirt bought for rupees 250 and sold at rupees 150. So cost price is 250, selling price is 150. The word sold tells us the selling price and the word bought tells us the cost price. And here SP is less than CP. The selling price is less than the cost price. So there is a loss. So we would do CP minus SP and that gives us rupees 100. To find the loss percent, the formula is loss by CP times 100. Loss is 100, CP is 250 and that multiplied by 100. 0, 0 cancels out and 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100. So that's 40. So the loss is rupees 100 and the loss percent is 40. So it's very simple. Just learn the formulas and you should be able to do it. Thank you.